NotilusPiping plugin provides a variety of useful capabilities to Rhino marine designers. The NP detect collision command, which is one of the latest developments, is making it possible to detect collisions of a 3D piping model. It is such an efficient and fast method to control existing collisions. The command is not only controlling pipelines but also ducting channels and cable trays. Warnings for detected collisions are added to the 3D model as a text dot so that the user can inspect each one of them. What about the structural model? NotilusPiping's new feature also gives an option to control the structural model collisions as well. For this control, you just need to select the control structure option in the NP detect collision command. With this configuration, collisions of the 3D piping model with stiffeners, faceplates, frames, girders, etc. can be detected easily. Penetration transitions are automatically recognized and not shown as a collision. Just like pipes, channel, and cable tray collisions with the structural model are also shown to the user. From end to end, NotilusPiping covers all requirements of piping and outfitting designers for Rhino marine design.